Aside from the SEC approving BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF options listing, lower interest rates could be a bullish catalyst for crypto as a whole, opening up the potential of inflows into the ETF. Elsewhere, Singapore-based crypto exchange Crypto.com has been granted a full payment service provider license by the Central Bank of Bahrain, allowing its local subsidiary to offer e-money and fiat services throughout the Gulf Cooperation Council, GCC, states. Bahrain has been active in regulating crypto exchanges, with Binance and BitOasis both having received licenses earlier this year. Crypto.com has also recently completed the process of receiving a virtual asset service provider license from Dubai's Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, VARA. Then, since the last bull market, the crypto job market has seen a decline in available positions. However, experienced candidates are still highly sought after. Companies are now focusing on hiring candidates with specialization and a track record, resulting in a prime job market for those who have been in the industry for 3 or more years. While the talent pool has expanded, it must continue to grow to keep up with industry growth predictions. Personal branding through platforms like Twitter can also help increase credibility and improve one's chances of scoring a first-round interview. Crypto professionals are known for their loyalty, and community support remains strong despite recent challenges faced by the industry. Now for some intriguing news from look-on-chain data regarding 5 wallets, each with 50 BTC reactivated within an hour. These Bitcoin miner wallets that had been inactive for over 15 years have become active again. Their total of 250 BTC is currently worth around $15.9 million. Mined in the early days of Bitcoin, before the first halving in 2012, when the reward for mining a block was 50 BTC compared to today's 3.125 BTC, these coins held little value at the time but have now become a substantial fortune due to Bitcoin's significant price increase over the past decade. The reactivation of these wallets has generated much speculation about their owners and potential links to early adopters, and even Satoshi Nakamoto. Although some suggest more casual explanations, such as an old hard drive being rediscovered,